Model, 63-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2900 Sportive Cdti Lwb 12 months Mot GreatSpecSilver. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 195215. MOT, the 13th of February 2026. Engine, 1995 CCM 9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in excellent condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.